Hi everyone, today I introduce a very useful application that is the Chinese dictionary Pleco, which can find Chinese words from English or pinyin or characters. This application will be very useful when you study sentences in Mandarin and you do not know some words in the sentences. This application is also good to search a lot of Chinese idioms. So let's start with the word to know. Just type the word in the little box at the top. You will see that the application displays several words because a word can have several nuances, and this can be translated into several Chinese words. So click on the word and you will see the word used in sentences, which will allow you to know how it is used. There is also the audio feature to listen to these sentences. By clicking on stroke, you can see the big image of a character, which is useful when you want to practice writing. By clicking on sentence, you can get other phrases using the searched word and also listen to them. By clicking characters, you can get the different characters used to form the word. This is especially useful for knowing the meaning of words, but it is also useful when you click on one of the characters, so you can get the page dedicated to this character and study other phrases. The most interesting is when you click words, because you can see all the important words that are formed with this character. This can be very useful when you are learning to read, because you can learn all the important words related to each character. It also allows you to better understand the deeper meaning of the character. Finally, you can do the research from the pinyin. Just be careful to click on the small C in blue at the top right so that the search is from Chinese rather than from English. This page is interesting because it allows you to see that a pinyin can be very recurrent in Chinese and that it is the tones that differentiate them. There can be several important words having the same pinyin. By clicking on the three horizontal bars at the top left, you can go for the Live OCR feature, which isn't free, unlike the features we just saw. It is very useful for scanning Chinese characters in a book, in a subtitled movie, or on posters, signs, etc. Just scan a sentence or a word and look at the meaning at the bottom of the screen. Just click on the green characters to see the meanings. The scan does not always work according to the degree of clarity of the objects scanned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to share it and see you soon for more videos.